I pray for 4 weeks time to remove all the defects in all the 3 cases.
All right, 4 weeks time to remove office objections.
Serial number 4, Mr. J. Kumar Chaudhary versus the State of Bihar for the Business Fee, Ranjay Nath Tiwari.
None appears also. Ordered at 20 on 23 not complied. Accordingly, writ petitions stand dismissed.
Heading for order serial number 5, Mrs. Tirupati Computer Stationers versus the State of Bihar for the Business Fee, Rajesh Chaudhary.
My Lord, I have filed an IA for amendment. Whereby, my Lord, the subsequent order passed by the respondent corporation has been challenged, by which the earlier order under
Now, what is the first order? 24/6/2016 blacklisting you.
my Lord, that is at page 27 of the writ application,
27.
page 27.
Thereafter.
And thereafter, my Lord, they have passed order, that is, my Lord,
Terminating your contract.
terminating my contract, blacklisting earlier.
Blacklisting is 24/6/2019.
24/6/2019, they have blacklisted me for all time to come. And subsequently, my Lord, which I have brought on record by way of IA, whereby they have blacklisted me for 10 years.
No, that means 2 orders.
Orders.
Blacklisting.
My Lord. And my Lord, the fault on the...
These are all 2 contract. In one contract, they are blacklisting.
One contract, my Lord, the earlier order dated 24th of June, that your Lordship has seen at Annexure P5, and another order modifying the earlier order that was passed on 28th of September 2019. Same order was modified, my Lord.
Earlier it was for indefinite period.
Indefinite period.
And now it has modified to 10 years.
10 years.
You are not satisfied?
I am not satisfied because, my Lord, my Lord, the petitioner was granted contract for printing books. It has been admitted, my Lord, that
Work order was issued on what date?
31/3/19.
31?
3/19, 2019.
Up to what date? Time limit?
That's for a session, this contract was there. They were supposed to print the book of class 3 students of under Bihar.
No, class 3 student books were required to be supplied within what date?
within 1 month from the date of
Work order.
work order.
But you have not supplied.
I have supplied. What
is the date?
That is, my Lord, before as a proof given on 14th of May 2019.
Sir, what is the date of supply?
Supply was made before 14th of May, because, my Lord, it was directed to supply at the, my Lord, block levels.
No, all right, you have supplied, last supply is 14th May 2019.
First.
14/5/2019 as a proof we have submitted.
Sir, are we asking you when did you obtain proof of approval and other things?
No, I am not saying, my Lord, approval.
Sir,
Sample.
Sir, Council, we are asking you for the third time, what is the last date of supply of books of class 3 students?
My lord, it is before the impugned order within the time.
Your Lordship, page
Of
20,
six-
that is the work order. There's a clause which states that within a period of 30 days from the issuance of the work order, you have to supply the books to the requisite block and district level.
All right, has he supplied?
He has supplied, but
On what date?
that's
That
on 10th.
exact date of supply is not there, madam. I have not, I can say, madam. That exact date of supply is not there. The grievance,
Saying that.
there is no complaint of non-supply, my lord. What? Here.
Has been formalities, no blacklisting order.
My lord, here is no complaint for non-supply. The mistake,
Serious mistake. Was a Syrian, found
may I,
Page 27,
my lord,
first paragraph, last 3-4 lines.
my lord.
पढ़िए उसको.
आपके द्वारा, मतलब फोर्थ लाइन फ्रॉम
Yes. Cotton.
आपके द्वारा पर्यावरण और हम भाग कक्षा 3 के बैक पृष्ठ पर राष्ट्रीय झंडा के
क्या पढ़िए?
में
दिनांक 27/93 दिनांक 14/5/19 द्वारा स्पष्टीकरण की मांग की गई.
मल परंतु आपके द्वारा दिया गया स्पष्टीकरण जवाब एवं शपथ पत्र में स्वीकार किया गया है कि आपने त्रुटिपूर्ण कार्य किया है. साथ ही मैं सबमिट माइलर वन
आगे पढ़.
हाँ ठीक है, हम हुजूर वही कह रहे थे. आप साथ ही आप शपथ पत्र के माध्यम से सूचना दी कि त्रुटिपूर्ण मुद्रित पुस्तकें बाजार से मंगवाकर कवर पृष्ठ को नष्ट भी कर दिया गया, लेकिन मीडिया की खबरों एवं जिला शिक्षा पदाधिकारी बांका द्वारा त्रुटिपूर्ण मुद्रित पुस्तक निगम को उपलब्ध कराए जाने से स्पष्ट है कि आपने गलत बयानी कर शपथ पत्र दिया और राष्ट्रीय झंडा का अपमान करने में आप और आपका प्रतिष्ठान जिम्मेवार है. मैं आई सबमिट वन थिंग ओनली मैडम.
Where is your show cause notice?
Show cause notice is annexure 3, page 23 of the writ.
What is his reply?
Guide that. Get the necessary and
About circulation.
And after making necessary correction, my lord,
the cover destroyed and the come from the market cover.
What is his reply on the that it was in the market? He silent. He has not answered.
Stated that he has withdrawn the book.
Drawn from the market.
Yes, withdrawn the book.
Why? For not directly supplying. No? Then in market.
Whether the books were required to be supplied to the corporation or the market or in the market.
Your Lordship, before supplying to the market, as per clause 4 of the work order, he was required to provide sample 25 copies to the corporation, whether the printers as per the approved of the approval of the corporation or not. But he, without supplying it to the corporation, straight away supplied it to the market, and the flags was printed upside down, and it was almost 27,000 books were in the market, and 15,000 was ready also for dispatch, and 12,000 was in the market. When it was informed to the corporation constituted an inspection team which went, and on 14/5/2019, when the inspection team went to the godown of the petitioner, he found that they have violated two clauses of the work order. First, the ammonia proof which has been approved by the corporation, the print was not as per the ammonia proof. And second is that he was required to provide the sample copies to the corporation before supplying it to the market. He has violated those conditions. And that is why show cause notice was issued. He was directed to destroy all the copies. He has not destroyed it. We have received that from Banka that in the market, a student has purchased a book in June itself, and the print was upside down, the flag was upside down, and that is why he was terminated, and FIR was also lodged against him.
My lord,
Name of the firm is Tirupati.
Yes, Your Lord.
my lord, I have in the writ application itself, it has been admitted that due to human error, the plates.
All right, sir. Human error, everything is all right. Why did you
In fact, my lord,
sell in the market?
my lord, after this, the so-called notice dated 14th of 5, the corporation directed me to recall all the books and destroy it. And
Why did
in fact, my lord, we have supplied after destroying. But
why did you supply in the market without the approval of the corporation? That's all. Writ petition stand dismissed. Brother will write.
my lord, your lordship is aware.
Before that, heard IA number so and so amendment of prayer insofar as challenging the subsequent modified blacklisting order for the reasons stated in the application and affidavit. IA stands allowed. Petitioner is hereby directed to carry out necessary amendment in the prayer during the course of the day.
My lord, there are evidences, my lord, that even my lord, the high-ups of the government in their flags is being
Sir, petitioner
has been hosted.
has cheated, sir.
I have not cheated, my lord. In
Sir,
fact, my
how this circular
my lord,
market?
my lord, since it
Where is the permission given by the corporation to sell the books in the market? Show us.
there was no requirement for any permission, my lord. Since
Then where is the approval of the corporation?
my lord, only fault was that the sample copy of 25 books were supplied after supplying the same, because it was to be supplied at block levels. And as and when, my lord, this notice was given, I have filed affidavit that all the books are being withdrawn, and all
Consider that.
withdrawn. But, my lord, some stray books which was purchased by the students were.
It is not stray.
My,
The other side is saying 25,000. 25,000 books, not few books.
not 25. She is saying that 25,000 books were printed, out of which, my lord,
12,000. 12,000 were circulated in the
that was withdrawn, my lord. It is not the case that all the books were in the market. That all were withdrawn. It is, and there was no.
Where is the withdrawal order?
My lord,
Withdrawal of those books from XYZ marketing.
my lord.
Where is that order? Where is the order? Assuming that you have supplied to one X book.
Yes, my lord. My lord.
You are withdrawing those books from that particular bookseller.
My lord.
That communication.
Then I may be permitted to bring on record. And when, my lord, this action was taken only when the media raised hue and cry. and for saving their skin, they have blacklisted me. In fact, my lord, as per the direction and affidavit, I have brought on record the affidavit. They allowed me to supply corrected copies of books. I was granted work order for 2 books. In one book, there was a mistake. I have admitted it, that due to placing of color plate in wrong manner, that was done and it was withdrawn. So far another book is concerned, there is no complaint.
We are not concerned how you printed and other things. We are concerned without the approval of the corporation, you have circulated in thousands in the market.
That was withdrawn. I am saying
That amounts to serious misconduct, Mr.
my lord, there was,
Call next case, yes.
since this was